Good evening, everyone. So today I'm going to review this ice maker. I'm going to be camping for Christmas for about 2 weeks at a RV resort in Galveston, Texas. As you know, I have a pop-up camper and I only have a mini refrigerator in there. So I don't have the capacity to store ice, and I will be taking my portable coolers. And since I'll be there for 2 weeks, I'm going to need to have ice over and over and over again. And instead of running back and forth to the store to get ice, I decided to invest in the ice maker. And it's also something I'll be using as I go camping throughout the year. So I got this one off of Amazon. I'll post the price, I'll flash it up, and then I'll post the link below. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so this is the ice maker. It's not big, it's about the size of a bread maker. You know, the old-fashioned bread makers people used to buy. So it's cute. It's black in color. The instructions say to open it up, take out the ice tray, which I've already done, and fill to the line, the max line right there. I'm not sure if you can see it. It says max right there. So we're gonna do that. I have my water here. Oops, sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. And we're gonna fill. To the max line. Then it says to put this back inside, close it, and hit the power button. And you can see the mechanism on the inside moving. You can hear it also. Oh, look at that. It's filling up to make its first ice. So we're gonna see how long it takes to make the first set of ice cubes, and we'll be back. So I'm not sure if you can see, but it's made its first batch of ice. I'm gonna open the door. Probably gonna get a beeping noise telling me to close it, but let's see. So it made these cute little ice cubes. They're very hollow, as you can see, and thin, but nonetheless it's ice. And what I like is that since the ice bin is over the water tray, if it melts, it's going to recycle and it can redo the ice. So that's awesome. So, and I set it on the small setting. And now I'm going to do it. I'm going to switch it. Oh, I guess I can't switch it because it's in the middle. Let me turn it off. I'm going to turn it on and switch it. See if I can switch it. There we go. Switch it to the large. I'm going to turn it back on. So we'll see how the large ice is. So here's the large ice, and it took also about 7 minutes to make one batch of ice. And you can see the difference between the smaller ice and the larger ice. So in about 7 minutes, you can get one little batch of ice, or one big bag of ice. So I'm gonna let it run and see how much ice we get out of that one fill. I'm gonna leave it on the large ice because that's probably what I would be using on a regular basis. So let's see what we come up with that one cycle of full tank of water. Okay, so we're about 45 minutes since the machine has turned on, maybe a little bit less. I was upstairs taking a shower, so I kind of lost track of time. But as you can see, we have a tray full of ice. And look, it hardly didn't even use that much water. So wow. So I'm excited. Yay! And it's actually still making water, still making ice. You see it dips down in there. You hear it filling up. ice thingies are right here that freeze the ice to make that hollow ice. So the ice, these are the large ice. You see they're thicker. Wow. And again, 7 minutes per batch. You hear it starting to freeze. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the door and let it continue to make ice. So it's going strong. So yay! Okay, so I'm gonna make a glass of soda. Yes, I'm drinking soda. You know, I normally don't drink soda. But this is one of the sodas that we got when we were in Thailand and we were stopped off in the airport on our way in. I have no idea what that says, except it says vitamin, orange, less sugar. So I'm all for the less sugar. And we actually tried this when we were there and we just brought a sample home. So, and this has only been in the refrigerator for maybe about an hour, so it's still not cold. But look at that. I got a glass with some ice. Yeah, let me see. Excuse the dishes. Pretty good, not bad. I'm liking this. Great investment. I don't have to buy ice again. Woo-hoo. So at the end of the day, it'll save me money, and I'll have all the ice I need. Yay!